Hello everyone, I will show you how to add NGL link to Instagram story. First of all, open NGL app or download it, and after you download it from App Store or Google Play, tap on get started, and from here you need to insert your username that you are using on Instagram. I will insert it from here really quick. And tap on done. And after that you want to allow notification, you can choose whatever you want. And after that, as you see from here, now what you need to do is to step 1 to copy the link. Tap on copy link and you just copy ngl dot link slash my username. And the step 2 is to share your link on your story. Tap on share, and from here he give you the steps to how to add the link to your Instagram story. Step 1 is to click on your sticker from here, as you see. Step 2 is to add the link. And step 3 to paste your link. And step 4 is to add your link above the old link. I will show you how. Just tap on share on Instagram and tap on open Instagram. And as you see from here, now what you need to do is to tap on sticker and tap on search, and you need to search for link and tap on the link sticker. And now we need to paste the link we just copied before a second. Let me copy the link again. Tap on paste, and after that tap on done. And you need to make it bigger, zoom in the text and leave it above the old text. And basically that's it. As you see, this is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.